Do you want to be able to go outside without getting bit by bugs, but you want something natural? I have the solution for you. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Sherry and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today we're going to be doing another DIY project. This one will be a quick and easy one, and at this time of year it's very important to have. So today we're going to be making a do-it-yourself bug spray, and this will repel bugs such as ticks and moths, biting flies, and mosquitoes. So let's get started, shall we? So what all goes into our bug spray? 80 drops or 1 teaspoon of rose geranium oil, and this is to repel ticks. 80 drops of lavender oil, and this repels moths, mosquitoes, fleas, and biting flies. 80 drops of citronella oil. This repels mosquitoes, biting flies, no-see-ums, and gnats. 80 drops of thyme, and this repels mosquitoes. Cedar wood, 40 drops of that or 1/2 teaspoon, and this repels ticks. 40 drops of eucalyptus oil for biting and stinging bugs. 40 drops of peppermint oil for ants and mosquitoes. 20 drops or 1/4 teaspoon of basil for mosquitoes and biting flies. And 20 drops of clove oil for mosquitoes. Then you'll either need 4 ounces of witch hazel or 4 ounces of apple cider vinegar. Now, apple cider vinegar does have a stronger smell. It will last a little bit longer, but the vinegar smell will dissipate in a little bit, so it won't overpower all of the essential oils. And also a thing to note is this is just for humans. You don't want to put it on the pets because a lot of these essential oils are toxic to animals. So next, you're going to need an 8-ounce glass spray bottle. Glass so it will protect the essential oils from the UV rays. And I ordered this off of Amazon because it said it had measuring lines on it, and I thought, well, that'll be cool. But as I got it, I thought this is kind of strange for a spray bottle. It says stuffed. Nearly half, could work for a while, and hungry. Really strange, but it doesn't really matter what it says. I need this for my bug spray. So I'm going to go ahead and take my funnel, put it in the bottle, and pour in my apple cider vinegar. And I am going to be using apple cider vinegar for this one because this recipe is very strong with all the essential oils and stuff, so if this one would be perfect to go out hiking with, or where there's going to be a lot of bugs. If you want one that is not as strong for like just the backyard mosquitoes, then go ahead and use the witch hazel. It doesn't last as long as the apple cider vinegar, but it is more lighter smelling. And then each of the essential oils, cut it by half. So we're going to go ahead and take 80 drops of the rose geranium. Or 1 teaspoon. I think it's going to be easier to do the teaspoons if possible. 80 drops of the lavender. All right, 80 drops of the citronella. And 80 drops of thyme. Forty drops of the cedar wood. That's almost like pulling teeth on that one there. Good thing I didn't have to do 80 on that. 40 drops of eucalyptus. And 40 drops of peppermint. A fourth of a teaspoon or 20 drops of the basil. Twenty drops or a fourth of a teaspoon of the clove. You go ahead and put the lid on it and shake it all up. And you want to go ahead when you're out and about, whether you made it for the backyard or whether you made it to go out on your hikes, you want to go ahead and just spray it all over the exposed skin and then down around by your pant legs and shirt sleeves. And you could probably put some on a little paper towel and rub it around your face. Just keep it away from your eyes and apply it every 2 to 3 hours. Let's smell it and see how good it smells. Well, it has a very strange smell with all those different combinations. As long as it works, I don't care what it smells like. Well, there you have it, an easy do-it-yourself bug spray. If you like this video and like to see others like it, please subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.